This is my dream as sari store. They say that every great thing starts with a small dream, a tiny spark that grows into something beautiful and meaningful. For me, that dream is right here, my very own sari store. When I was younger, I watched the neighborhood sari store with wonder. I saw how it wasn't just a place to buy things. It was a place where people connected, where needs were met, and where kindness was shared just as much as the goods on the shelves. That's when the thought talk wrote in my heart, someday I want to have my own sari store. I want to have my own sari store too. I want to be the one who serves my community, who brings convenience to families, and who creates a space where everyone feels welcome. The two became my pangarap, my dream. It wasn't just about running a business. It was about building something of my own, something that could support my family and give back to the people around me. I imagine shelves filled with everything our neighborhood needs, from daily essentials to little treats that make people smile. I pictured myself greeting customers by name, listening to their stories, and being a familiar, friendly face they can count on. Of course, turning a dream into reality isn't easy. There were challenges along the way, from saving up to get started to learning how to manage stocks and serve customers well. But every step of the way, my pangarap or dream kept me going. I knew that this sari store wasn't just about items for sale. It was about hope, hard work, and a belief that even a small business can make a big difference. That's my dream.